curious minds, welcome to my channel, the place where science comes alive. Every week, we explore the amazing world around us with fun experiments, cool facts, and exciting adventures. From the tiniest atoms to the biggest planets, there's always something new to discover. Today, we're going on a journey like no other. We're going to learn the greatest story ever told, the story of the universe. So grab your space helmets and get ready, because we're traveling 13.8 billion years back in time. Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Time warp engaged. The Big Bang, the beginning of everything. Everything began with nothing. No stars, no planets, no light, just darkness. Then, suddenly boom, the Big Bang. In less than a second, the universe was born. Tiny particles of energy exploded outward, forming space, time, and matter. It was hot, really, really hot. As the universe expanded, it started to cool down. Little bits of matter began joining together, like building blocks. These were the first atoms, the tiniest things that make up everything. The first stars are born. After millions of years, the universe was filled with gas and dust, and gravity began pulling it together. Then whoosh, the first stars were born. They were huge, bright, and powerful. Inside those stars, new elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron were created. When these stars exploded as supernovas, they spread those elements into space, the ingredients for life. So yes, we're all made of star stuff. The birth of galaxies. As more stars formed, they grouped together into enormous families called galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, was born around 13 billion years ago. Each galaxy spins like a cosmic pinwheel, filled with billions of stars, dust, and mysterious dark matter. The universe started to glow with light, twinkling stars filling up the darkness. The birth of our solar system. Fast forward to about 4.6 billion years ago. In one small corner of the Milky Way, a cloud of gas and dust began to swirl and spin. At the center, a glowing ball of gas formed our sun. Around it, leftover dust and rock clumped together, forming the planets. The small rocky ones, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The giant gassy ones, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And floating among them, our home planet, Earth. The beginning of life on Earth. At first, Earth was fiery and full of volcanoes. Then, over millions of years, it cooled down and oceans formed. Deep in those oceans, something magical happened. Tiny living cells appeared. Those tiny creatures were the first life in the universe that we know of. They grew, changed, and evolved, turning into fish, plants, dinosaurs, and eventually, us. Isn't it amazing that every living thing came from tiny sparkles of stardust? The age of exploration. Billions of years later, humans began to look up at the night sky. They wondered, where did it all come from? People built telescopes, rockets, and space stations to find answers. Now we explore the stars with space robots, satellites, and telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, our cosmic time machine. It lets us see light from the first galaxies ever made. The universe keeps expanding. Even today, the universe is still growing, stretching farther and farther every second. Galaxies are zooming away from each other like balloons floating apart. Scientists say one day, the stars will fade, and the universe will grow cold and dark again. But that's billions of years from now, so we've got plenty of time to explore. The story of us. The story of the universe is also our story. We came from the same stardust that built galaxies and suns. Every time you look up at the stars, remember you're a part of this incredible cosmic adventure. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep dreaming, because the story of the universe is still being written. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time and space. If you loved learning about the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, explorers, keep looking up.